Hey everybody, this is your tax collector Laura Hoffman. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on the correct way to read and pay your tax bill. What you're looking at right now is your school tax bill. This is technically period 4 taxes. There are 4 billable tax periods every year, and your school bill always comes out August 1st, and it is period 4. Now, if you look at the tax bill, you notice that there's the taxpayer information, and there's the tax account ID number, the parcel number. All this information in the body of it is the breakout of the assessed values and the different amounts that are being charged. These two, the lower third portion of your tax bill, is the most pivotal for a tax collector because those are your payment coupons. Now, the school bill is a little more involved, I admit, because you have the option of paying on an installment plan. Now, if you notice, you have 2 coupons. They're identical. Why? Because if you want one sent back to you with my paid stamp on it as your receipt, you got to send both of these in with your check with a self-addressed stamped envelope. Now, if you opt for the installment plan, you're going to have your first payment in by August 31st, okay? Then you're going to pay that first payment amount. If you want to take advantage of the 2% discount, you're going to have your payment in by September 30th and pay the discount amount. If you miss the August 31st cutoff, and then you miss the September 30th. Now, if you miss the August 31st cutoff, you're going to have to pay the whole amount, okay? And if you miss the September 30th cutoff, you're going to go into your basic or base tax amount. And if you don't get that in by November 30th, you're going to be on the hook for the 10% penalty by December 31st. If you don't make that cutoff, you're going to be turned over to tax claim come the new year. So your best bet, take advantage of the 2% discount. If you need to do the installment plan, make sure your first payment is in or postmarked with a valid United States Postal Service postmark by August 31st. Now, page 2 of your tax bill has the other payment coupons. You have your second installment payment, which is going to be due by October 31st. And then you're going to pay that second install amount. Same deal. If you want one of these sent back to you stamped as paid, send both of these with your payment and a self-addressed stamped envelope. Now, third payment is same thing. You can send both of them with a self-addressed stamped envelope. Boom, you get your receipt sent back to you. However, the only thing to watch out on your third install is that little thing here, a cashier's check or money order, is only accepted after December 15th. So December 16th, even if you made your first 2 installments by personal check, and now you're making your third install and it's after December 15th, you need to have a cashier's check or money order or your payment will be sent back to you. Okay, so that's basically your school bill in a nutshell. You always have 2 coupons per payment, so you can get one back as a receipt if you want. If you know your check clearing your account is going to serve as your receipt and you're good with that, then only send the 1 coupon. That's fine. And that takes care of your school bill. Now, your county municipal bill is a lot easier. It's got 3 portions, but only 2 for the payments. And the bottom portion serves as a change of address. And just a little side note, a tax collector cannot update, change, or correct or amend your address in the system. You have to do that through tax assessment in Stroudsburg and Monroe County, okay? Now, the county bill does have 3 sections in terms of the payment breakout. Again, you have the option to pay in discount by April 30th, and you save yourself 2%. Off your base amount. Your basic amount is what your basic tax bill is. That's due by June 30th. But if you pay it by April 30th, boom, you get your 2% discount. You're done for the year. I've had a lot of people who have been sending me in a payment for this. Then they send the payment for that, and they keep trying to send the payment for the penalty, and I keep sending those checks back with receipts explaining you already paid in discount. You're done for the year. If you miss the discount cutoff, yeah, you got to pay by June 30th to get your base amount. And if you miss that, then yeah, you're going to have till the end of the year to pay the 10% penalty amount, okay? And that's just it. And it has, everything is the exact same top and bottom here. One is for me as a tax collector to post your payment. This one is so if you send a self-addressed stamped envelope, I can send this back to you, circling the amount, putting your check number on it, stamping it paid, and you're good to go for the year. And basically, that's your major tax bill that comes out every year, March 1st for county municipal. So that's Monroe County and whatever municipality you're in, whether it's Polk, Eldred, Ross, Chestnut Hill. Those are the four that take place with the school district that all participate with the Pleasant Valley School District, okay? So every year, January 1st, there's an interim A bill. Most of you don't get that, but every year, March 1st, yes, you will get your county municipal bill. And every year, yes, on August 1st, you will get your school bill. There is an interim B bill that releases on July 1st. That's period 3, but typically most people get period 2 and period 4 taxes. The interim bills are only sent out to people who have had an impact on the assessed value of their property in between these two major billing cycles. And again, there will always be a county municipal interim and a school interim, and they have to be paid by separate checks. And that's the other little pointer. Never, ever, ever combine payment of county municipal and school bill into one check. No, no, no. Do not do that. They are separate taxing authorities, therefore they require separate payments. I hope that covers off on everything to give you the basic 1, 2, 3 of how to pay your bill and what everything means. These are not 3 different payments that are due. These are 3 payment options that you have, whether discount, base, or penalty. Same with your school bill, but that does have the added option of paying on an installment plan. Okay? I hope that covers everything for you. You can always visit eldredtaxcollector.com if you have any other questions. There is an FAQ page. There's also a page option if you wish to pay by credit or debit card. You can do so from the comfort of your own home with your credit card online. Just bear in mind there is a 2.5% convenience fee for doing it that way, or a $3 minimum charge. But you do have that option if you want to pay by credit or debit card, or you can just send in your check. But again, after December 15th, it has to be cashier's check or money order. Stay tuned. Thanks a lot. I hope this helps.